Hey folks, welcome to Aunt Sandy's Kitchen, and today we are going to be making one of my favorite recipes, lemon cream pie. It is delicious. I could smell that lemon juice and that zest all the way in the other room. So let's get to cooking. You're going to take 2 cans of sweetened condensed milk. You need this sweet stuff. I've got my 9-inch graham cracker crust. It's store-bought, forgive me, but you can make your own if you want. This time I just didn't. I got 2 egg yolks I've already beaten, and I put 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavoring in there already. I'm going to pour that in there. We're going to put 1/4 cup of sour cream, and 2 tablespoons of lemon zest that I've zested from some fresh lemons. Ooh, that smells so good. And I kept a little bit, probably a pinch or more. I kept a little bit to top my pie with. 1 cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice. 1 cup. It took about 4 lemons. 5 lemons, excuse me. And we're going to whisk this up and mix it all. Okay, we've mixed it real good. Everything's incorporated. We're going to pour it in the pie plate. That looks wonderful. You see those specks of zest? We're going to put it in the oven and let it bake for 10 minutes. Then we're going to take it out and let it cool. So we'll be right back. And if you like this recipe and found this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe to my channel. I got the lemon pie out of the refrigerator, and I made the topping, the homemade whipped topping, and which didn't take long. Don't that look gorgeous? So we're going to top this pretty pie. I'm just going to bring it to the, not quite the edge, because I want people to see what kind it is under there. And I had saved some zest. Sprinkle some of that on top. I hope you enjoy this. I hope you make this pie. It's going to be delicious, and it's looking wonderful. Thank you for coming by and watching my videos. And as always, God bless. Check out my Etsy store for Aunt Sandy's Kitchen merchandise. And if you like this recipe and found this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe to my channel.